next few minutes, you will learn how to add keywords in your Google Ads campaign. Sometimes it's happened like we have launched a Google Ad campaign, but after that we have find some really good keywords. But while we are finding out where is the section we can add keywords, we just where it is. So I will show you how you can find those. So first of all, maybe you have a bunch of keyword lists like this. So you have to add those on your campaign. So first, go to your Google Ads dashboard. You can see like this. After that, you choose the campaign which you want to add your keywords on. So for my case, I'm clicking this one. I am targeting this one. So here you can see a keyword that is popping up here. But if you click here, you will see negative keywords. It is also using to let your campaign not to target on these keywords, but we don't want that. We want those keywords that we want to target. So for that, what we have to do is, this is for Performance Max only, or maybe in another ads you will see those as well. You can see the search terms right here. Here you can do is edit search terms. If you have already added keywords, you will see your keywords right here. But if you don't edit your keywords, you will see some blank thing. So here you can only add 50 keywords for Performance Max only. But in terms of search ad like that, you can add lots of keywords. So like this, let me clear some keywords to show you how to add it. So I want to add these 4 keywords. So I'm come here, just sit after things are done here, just go to save. Also, you can add some audiences right here. If you have a pre-made audiences that you find out I done here, I have given the competitors' website URLs, some keywords, and my own audience. I have a list which I give to Google and told them to retarget those people or find out these people, they are high likely to make customer, because I have already a customer base like this, and find me out more customers like them. I have spent more than 100 to 300K on ads, and I have going for 2x ROAS to 7x ROAS in returns. So if you want to scale your Google ads at the same time maintaining your return on ad spend, you can book a meeting with me and I can assist or help you to reach your goal. At the same time, if you need any help, you can just go to check my description or comment. You will find a one-on-one meeting right there. Just book a meeting with me and we will talk about your business there. Thank you. Tata.